Okay, so let's take a look at number 6. Your number 6 might be slightly different from this one, but it should be similar. We have that f of x is 5x plus 3, g of x is 3x squared, and h of x is the square root of x minus 4. And we want to find g of f of x, or g composed with f. Notice that h doesn't play any role at all. It's just extra information. So let's find g of f of x, and I'm going to go ahead and bring both of these over to a Word document so I can write on it and show you how to do this. So let me write these down. Okay, so I've brought them over to the sheet here. We want to find g of f of x, and this is really the same thing as g composed with f. Okay, so if we're doing g composed with f, or g of f of x, we look at the one that is first in the notation. That is our g. Where we see an x in g, we are going to place parentheses. So place parentheses like so. All right, so in other words, I've replaced the x with parentheses, but the 3 is still there and the squared is still there. Now let's drop the second one in the notation into the parentheses. So 5x plus 3 gets dropped into the parentheses. Now the ugly part of this is we just have to clean this up algebraically. So be careful when squaring 5x plus 3. I really suggest that you write it out so that you don't lose your middle term when multiplying things out. So I'm going to multiply the 5x plus 3 times the 5x plus 3, and then I'll distribute the 3 afterwards. So we'll have 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. 3 times 5x is 15x. And then 3 times 3 is 9. And now I'll distribute the 3, and after that I'll add like terms. So this will give me 75x squared, 45x, and I apologize for my first grade handwriting right now, and 45x, and then 3 times 9, 27. And let's add our 2 middle terms, and we'll be done with this thing. So 45x and 45x is this 90x. And there we have it. There's our answer.